Now let us discuss about some of the HTML formatting elements. So here in the list you can see some elements I have already given in the notes: bold text, strong, I or em, mark, small, and how these are working I will just demonstrate it. For that I will take IT skills 1.html page where we have one paragraph test, correct? So what I will do is I will just load it in the browser. Okay, so I'm waiting for HTML browser. Okay, I got HTML browser. This is our text. So what I don't want all these things, so I will just comment the things. About the comments I have discussed in the previous class. So we can make a comment in one more way also, that this is heading text. And just save it and refresh. No, it's not coming as a comment. So in case you want to use it as a comment, you have to use um, just just use it as a comment. I want to use it, so less than symbol, double hyphen, oh sorry, exclamatory behind that, double hyphen. See, everything is commented here. I want to close it till this heading. So what happens, I will just demonstrate it to you. If I do that, okay, so I don't want more things onto the screen, so I will just say I have saved a file here, then a refresh. See, this is what I am getting. This adding and all, it is there on the page, but I have made it as a comment. So if you make it as a comment, it will not be printed. Now what I want to make is, I want to make this like as bold. My all videos, like my all videos, I want to make, like my all videos, I want to make it bold. Subscribe, I want to make it italics. Okay, so in that case what we have to do is I will go here and here, and one more thing is that we can use a tag within a tag, which we have not discussed. So I will use a b tag here. Okay, then I will close it here. One by one we will check. Okay, then save a file. See here, like my all videos, that become bold. Now subscribe to get new video notifications, I want to make it italics. For that what I can do is I can go to here. So simple characters what we are using, the initial characters, even capital if you use, no issues. Okay, so I will use /I, automatically it comes. Save a file. Now you refresh it, you see here it is getting italics. Okay, now what I want to make is this, I want to make it as a bold. So what I can do is one more attribute we can use, that is strong. So I am using these attributes within the attribute. I will make this one, close it, strong. Strong is same as bold. Say it has become bold, correct? Then I can use one more tag, sorry, one more for italics I can use em. Italics I can use em. Close it, italics, save and refresh. This is italics. So I will just check what I have missed. Okay, deleted text you can use delete, smaller text you can use smaller, inserted text you can use insert, mark text. I will try this. Okay, how it works. So first we will try mark. Mark I will use, oh sorry, in Sublime Text I have to edit it. I will use mark. To be honest, I have not used these things, mark and all. Mark I can use. I have to check it how it works. Okay, this I will copy here. Control S. refresh. This is mark text, you can mark it like this. Okay, then here I will remove this. Then next we will try one more. So deleted text we will use. Should have mark, yes, DL. This also I have not used. DL. So it was coming like this. Later what happens, you see it's like strike through. DL is like strike through. So we have used this. Small and big also we can use. Small for making the text smaller and big for making this big. I think it is not mentioned here. We will try big. Okay, this is the text. We will just use big here and use big here. Big. See here, text is get has become large size. One more big, if I will use, what happens, you see, multiple also I can use. One more tag. Beauty of this HTML is that you can use tags within the text. See, it has become further large. Suppose if you want to make it small, so this part I will make it small. Subscribe I will make it small, or okay, please, like videos I will make, yes, this where I can make it small. Yes, this video notifications I will make it small. For that I can use small here. Okay, video notification I will use small. Make a font size smaller. One more font tag is there, that also we can learn. Control S. Just put an enter here so that I'll have a better idea. Control S. Refresh. See, this is becoming smaller. Further you can decrease the size. So all these we have tried. Yeah, subscript and superscript, this is also one of the very important text. So for that we want a square plus b square plus 2ab. For that sorry, it's plus 2ab if you want to do it. So here you can use superscript tab, SUP, because it should go at the top, isn't it? So you can use a superscript, close it with superscript, then after B one more superscript, then you use close that superscript, Control S, save, refresh. So here a square plus b square, yeah, I will put a break here. For break I can use just a minute, put a break here. Break, horizontal ruler, okay, and just saved and refresh. Yeah, it looks nice. Then I will use H2O, H2O. For that, see, all these things I'm using in a p tag itself. So I can use H2O. I will make it as a heading tag. H1. I want to try out the different things here. H2O. I'll make it a capital. H2O, and I will make this 2 subscript, so I can use 2 as sub. Close this with a sub. So I don't know why it is not came automatically. And anyhow, just to see here, I have saved a file, refresh, see H2O, like that you can do. Even this one I will make it larger so that you can get a better idea or clear visibility. So where is that? Yeah, here I will make it as H1 or H3, and here I will close it. Saved file, refresh. See, this is how we can arrange the things. So this is regarding the font. So I will try one more thing here. I will put few things into the font tag, and I will just try to change the size. I will use one more tag called as a font width size equal to this time just use this font tag first, and I will close it here. Font size, I will try this tag, size equal to 40 px, 40 pixels we have to give. I will just try this, current saved, refresh. See here, this way you can increase or decrease size also, make it as 20. Even you can increase the size of the font also. I think this is not there in the notes. Control S,